What game are you gonna play? Hi.
Cheese.
Cheese. What game are you gonna play?
Elfie.
Yeah, I know that's you. But we want to show people how you play the game. What game are you gonna play? You have to find the letter. What game are you gonna play? You want to show Uncle Mike and Auntie Chris? And Uncle Tim and Auntie Lynn what you do? Yeah. You gotta pick it. Yeah.
Mike, it's Chris.
Yeah.
I'm Chris.
Yep. Mike and Chris. We want to show them how you play. You play a game.
Game.
Pick a game. I'm gonna pick clouds. Okay, which one are you gonna do? Gonna do the pumpkin? You're gonna do the pumpkin. What are you gonna pick? Can you do the pumpkin?
Clouds.
And clouds. How do you say clouds in sign language?
Clouds.
How do you do clouds in sign language?
Clouds.
Oh, okay. Pretty. Yeah, oh, Sophia, good job. Wow. Good job, Soph. Oh. Good job. Good job, Soph.